But far infrared sauna helps you in producing insulin within your cells. It activates beta cells in the pancreas.
Isn't that amazing? Like you don't need to even exercise for it, and
Correct.
you're just losing weight.
Yes, you are 100% correct. You need not exercise because see the funda is you have to sweat out. When you sweat out, you are healthy. So without exercising, you are getting sweat.
Right.
Sitting in the fire infrared sauna for half an hour, 45 minutes, you are sweating out. You are sweating out and you are healthy. You are being healthy.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
So, can you tell us about the far infrared sauna? It looks very interesting, but I would like to know more about it.
Yes, actually, human being is born to sweat more. When he sweats, he is healthy. Without sweat, no human being is healthy. So, far infrared sauna helps in getting out a lot of sweat from the body, from the sweat glands, and it detoxifies your organs like liver, kidney, and all. And it deep penetrates 8 mm into the skin.
Right. So, it also treats different disease. Like what kind of disease it can treat? Because in today's
Actually, I beg your pardon, it doesn't treat a disease, but it controls diseases such as diabetes. It can control. It cannot treat or cure.
Okay.
It only keeps the diabetes, thyroid, cholesterol. These are all what you know. These are all chronic diseases. They are not acute. If there is some acute disease, definitely far infrared sauna will help you in treating it. But diabetes, thyroid, cholesterol, these are all chronic diseases. Those cannot be treated. But far infrared sauna helps in controlling those diseases. But if you have PCOD, PCOS problem, hair fall problem, then it can treat.
Right.
It can treat completely.
So basically, it lower downs the amount of that particular disease has the effect on your body by this particular practice.
Yes, actually, if you take far infrared sauna, deep penetrate into the skin. See, I'll tell you an example. Take example of diabetic patient. A diabetic patient has to produce insulin from himself, from within himself.
Right.
Otherwise, they are taking pills, medicines. They will give you metformin and insulin from outside. But far infrared sauna helps you in producing insulin within your cells. It activates beta cells in the pancreas.
Okay.
So automatically what happens, insulin is produced in the body and is controlling diabetes from
your
inside.
body is treating you.
Yes, it helps healing.
And it also might increase your metabolism.
Yes, perfectly, 100%. It increases your metabolism. It also solves the problem of insomnia. And if somebody is obese, if they really sit in far infrared sauna continuously, they will definitely lose their weight.
Isn't that amazing? Like you don't need to even exercise for it,
Correct.
and you are just losing weight.
Yes, you are 100% correct. You need not exercise because see the funda is you have to sweat out. When you sweat out, you are healthy. So without exercising, you are getting sweat.
Right.
Sitting in the fire infrared sauna for half an hour, 45 minutes, you are sweating out. You are sweating out and you are healthy. You are being healthy.
Okay. So anyone and everyone can do it. Anyone can practice it, and how often one should do it? And
Everyone, even if she is healthy, they can sit in fire infrared sauna and boost up their immunity levels.
Okay.
And they can be healthy all the way. Anybody can sit in the fire infrared sauna.
So it's for everyone.
Yes, everyone.
And how often one should take it?
At least 10 times a month recommended. At least 10 times a month.
10 times a month.
Yeah.
Right. It does not have any side effects.
No, not at all. Because fire infrared sauna along with salt therapy is excellent for anybody. No side effects. It's all healing.
What would be one recommendation you would like to give our viewers or the people who are willing to take far infrared?
I would definitely recommend everyone, even in their houses, if they can afford, they can keep fire infrared sauna and regularly use fire infrared sauna.
Is this portable?
No, it is not portable, but it has to be kept in a place. But once you buy it and have some place in the house, you can put it in the house and everyone can use it. And one most important thing is when you are using fire infrared sauna, your immunity levels are boosting up.
Right.
So your age is also being reversed. When your immunity level increases, your age is also increasing. And every organ of the body, from skin, hair and everything is becoming healthy. You are healing yourself sitting in fire infrared sauna without any medication.
And does it has any correlationship with the ancient techniques, ancient Indian Vedic techniques?
Yes, yes, you are 100% correct. Your question is absolutely correct. In ancient India, people used to sit by the fire with salt therapy. So the same basic funda is being used in this fire infrared sauna. So it is age-old therapy. Fire infrared sauna is very age-old therapy.
Age-old therapy in a new dynamic way.
Correct, 100%. I couldn't put that in your words.
I am very fascinated and it seems amazing. I would like to go for it for sure, and I would.
You also recommend people around you to take fire infrared sauna, or if they can't afford to buy, ask them to find somewhere where fire infrared sauna is there and take sittings in that wellness center or somewhere wherever it is, and keep their health in a good condition.
Right. This is 100% made in India?
Yes, it is 100% made in India by infrared sauna we are having is from Tathya Industries.
From Tathya.
Tathya, yeah.
Tathya is doing very
It is from
great
Gujarat.
job. Yeah.
Yes, yes, it is. Their service is also very good. Whenever I get any problem with the fire infrared sauna, they definitely give me a call back and give their services very immediately, without any delay. So I would recommend that if anybody wants to go for fire infrared sauna, it is better they go with Tathya Industries.
Yeah. So Tathya can provide you the far infrared sauna at your doorsteps or for your wellness centers also, right?
Correct.
And it's easy to use. They even teach how to use, right?
It is not a big rocket science. It is very easy to use. Any layman can use that. Anybody with education, without education, anyone can use that. Very easy. Only 2-3 buttons to be operated. Once seen, they can definitely use that.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for the valuable information and insight. We are really excited to see the
Welcome.
This is a dry sauna, not your regular one. This is where you sit and enjoy the sauna. This is red light therapy. It helps in your skin as well as treating the diseases that you have. This is pink Himalayan rock salt. So when you sit inside the sauna, this particular window is for your ventilation. Tathya's far infrared sauna is inspired by the ancient Indian Vedic techniques. It helps you treat and cure many diseases like arthritis, body pain, muscle pain, joint pain, etc. Now this is different from your regular sauna. I'll tell you how. In regular sauna, you can sit for at least 15 minutes, and that's the maximum you can sit inside and bear that air and be in that surrounding. But in far infrared, you can sit for at least 45 minutes. This is a dry sauna. That's why you can at least sit for 45 minutes. Now what it does is the red light inside penetrates deep inside your skin and detoxifies your blood cells as well as removes the toxins from it. Hence, it improves the quality of your life and it improves the metabolism rate. Let's talk about the pink Himalayan rock salt therapy. You have heard that rock salt in ancient Indian technique is used for various methods. So most important one is to remove negativity from your surrounding as well as from your body. So you have seen your dadis and nanis doing a salt thing around your body to remove all the negativity. These things work similar. The pink rock salt therapy helps you remove all the negative toxins, metals and ions from your body. It rejuvenates and it enhances your system. It helps you in insomnia, it helps you in your respiratory system, as well as if you have sleep disorder or any kind of uneasiness in your body. It helps you overcome everything that is disturbing your lifestyle and it helps you improve that. Tathya doesn't stop here, it goes up to your skin. Now, red light therapy helps you in enhancing your skin and age reversing. While the red light goes deep inside your blood cells and your body, it detoxifies it and enhances it, and you can see a different and rejuvenated glow in your skin while you take this therapy on a regular basis. It also helps in the hair growth as well as your complete transformation.